I'm always looking for ways to improve our lifestyle with technology. And a while ago, while going back and forward with my wife over our laundry chores, it struck me. We have a washer, we have a dryer. Where is the folder? I teamed up with an exceptional team of robotics and manufacturing innovators, and together we invented FoldiMate, a folding machine that is compact, affordable, and makes you fold like a pro.
FoldiMate is smaller than any other folding machine because it has different mechanisms. It's got a spinning rod that pulls the fabric into place, and it's got this index that comes out, and whenever it needs to fold something, it goes out and holds it in position. Those two mechanisms together are the heart and soul of this machine.
When finished, FoldiMate will help coin laundromat users fold their laundry easily and faster so they can enjoy their Sunday afternoons. It will also allow any business who has employees that fold clothes on a regular basis improve and unify their folded output while saving valuable time, which will be used to increase capacity and attend to more important tasks. Businesses like wash-fold laundromats, clothing stores, apparel printing shops, commercial laundry facilities, and etc.